Have you ever submitted a response to a Google form and realized you needed to delete it afterward? Whether you're managing an event, conducting a survey, or gathering feedback, sometimes cleaning up responses is necessary to keep your data accurate and organized. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Google form responses after submission, quickly and easily. First, go to the Google Forms website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Find the form from which you want to delete responses and click to open it. At the top, you'll see a tab labeled Responses. Click on it. Here, you can see all the submissions your form has received. If you want to delete a specific response, click on Individual to browse through each submission one by one. Once you find the response you want to remove, click the small trash can icon next to it. A confirmation prompt will appear. This ensures you don't delete anything by accident. Click Yes to confirm and the response will be permanently deleted. It's that simple. Deleting unnecessary responses helps keep your data clean, relevant, and easier to analyze. Just remember to back up any important data before deleting anything and only remove submissions that are no longer needed. And there you have it, a fast, foolproof way to manage your Google Form responses and maintain organized, accurate data.